How are you? This is Inspire Health. Many fermented foods have probiotics and can have amazing positive effects on our health. Would you like to know what probiotics are and what are my favorite choices? Stay tuned! Probiotics are living microorganisms such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, which can have health benefits when administered in adequate amounts. Consumption of probiotics may help to balance the complex community of microorganisms in the gastrointestinal tract and result in the strengthening of the immune system and improvement in digestive health, as well as mood and memory. Probiotic foods and beverages can be found in stores, ordered online, or even made as do-it-yourself hobby projects. When it comes to probiotics, you can consider gradually increasing their quantity in your diet. Get familiar with your local regulations on how they're labeled at the grocery stores and pharmacies. Probiotics are generally safe but can cause side effects in some cases. Fermented foods often contain probiotics, however, not always. For example, they may have started as probiotic foods but can be deactivated or canned for sale in stores. It's important to pay close attention if you desire to enjoy their health benefits. Let's take a look at fermented milk products. First, yogurt. Fermentation of lactose by bacteria known as yogurt cultures produces lactic acid, which acts on milk protein to provide yogurt with a certain texture and a tart flavor. There are many varieties, such as Icelandic-style yogurt, Greek, flavored or even plain, drinkable yogurt. Next, kefir. It's another fermented milk drink that is made with kefir grains, which is an yeast bacterial fermentation starter. Kefir has been known in Russia for over a century. However, it has become popular in many regions of the world now. Let's take a look at sour cream. It's a dairy product obtained through fermentation of cream. The name comes from a process of souring, which describes the production of lactic acid through bacterial fermentation. Sour cream can be used as a condiment, a base for salad dressings and dips, an ingredient for baked goods, but also as a dessert when combined with fruits and berries, for example. Next, fermented vegetables. I really enjoy traditional sauerkraut, which is shredded cabbage fermented by various lactic acid bacteria. Here I have one of the variations of sauerkraut salad. Beware that store-bought kinds may not include active microorganisms if they were processed for canning to increase their shelf life. Another example of fermented foods is kimchi. It's a traditional Korean side dish made from fermented napa cabbage or Korean radishes, as well as flavorful seasonings like chili powder, garlic, ginger, and scallions. Here is what it looks like. I've even made my own big batch once. It's fairly easy. Let's move on to miso. It's a traditional Japanese seasoning made by fermentation of soybeans with salt and koji, which is a fungus. Sometimes other ingredients like rice or barley are also included. Thick miso paste produced as a result has many applications. It's used for sauces and spreads, as a soup base, for pickling vegetables or meats. It's high in protein and rich in vitamins and minerals. There are many types of miso, and their taste can greatly vary. Next on my list, natto. It's a traditional Japanese food made by fermentation of soybeans with a special bacteria. Natto has a powerful smell, strong flavor, and rather slimy texture. It's often flavored with soy sauce and spicy mustard. Some people may find this product bizarre when they try it for the first time. However, its taste does grow on you, similarly to blue cheese. Natto is popular in Japan, but is now sold and loved in many parts of the world. And finally, kombucha. It's a sweetened tea fermented with SCOBY, which stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast. Kombucha is home-brewed around the globe, but commercially produced bottles are also available. I've made many batches at home and even flavored them during a second fermentation to make fizzy kombucha drinks. Those were my favorite fermented foods. What are yours? Please let me know in the comments. Hello my friend, it's Elena. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Do me two favors. Number one, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you get updates every time I release new training for you. And number two, if you want to slim down, regardless of your busy schedule, I'd like to give you my 10-step blueprint. Click the link in the description box or simply subscribe right on my website and you'll receive my training videos and the PDF guide for free. Thanks for watching and stay inspired!